Welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to show you how to recreate this 3D rose with acrylic. So now I'm going to buff a little bit before creating my 3D design. I'm going to double dip in white acrylic powder and in a pastel pink powder. And now I'm going to do like a crescent shape to create the petals of the flower. I'm gonna add more petal to this design. We're going to do our third petals. Do not hesitate to flip the finger. With the belly of your brush, press the product. Don't use the tip to do the petals because the product will separate. You will separate with the tip of the brush and we don't want that. So now to create the heart of the rose, double dip the product and place the bead into the center of the flower. Let it dry, let it set a little bit, and with the point of your brush make a little hole and press like that. And of course we gotta add some bling, so we're going to use a clear acrylic powder to adhere the bling in the center of the rose. Now we're going to add some leaf. So press gently the product. If you press too hard, you will spread the product. And now with a tool we are going to do some veins into the leaf. Now pull the product to make pointy shape to the leaf and press the product to open the leaf. So now I'm going to use some white acrylic paint to add some design. So now I'm going to seal the white paint that we did. Make sure to don't overlay the 3D effect. If you need to be very precise with top coat, use a small brush. I'm using the 002 brush to apply the top coat just around the flower and the leaves. And cure that for me, please. 30 seconds in LED lamp. So now we're gonna add some cuticle oil. This is the finished design. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. All the product used will be listed below. Until next time, au revoir!